welcome back YouTube, 26 Acres Outdoors. Today we're going to be constructing a deer blind, elevated blind. It's going to be 12 feet in the air. It's going to be 8 by 8. We're going to show you the steps we're doing. We're going to build it in the shop first and then bring it out on the trailer in pieces and stand it up. I know a lot of guys do it that way because it's kind of hard to build something and then go stick it out in the woods. So we're going to do the first one. And I'm going to show you, what we're going to kind of just go over what we did and what we bought, and I'll give you the final price on the end. I did find some ways to cut corners, but it is a little tricky with the price of lumber being up 180%. We know who we can thank, but we won't go there today. But so we did go to the lumberyard the other day. We're going to make the framework out of the bottom for the floor out of 2x8s, pressure treated. We've got 12-foot pressure treated posts, and then we've got regular 2x4s for the framing. And so the base unit will be pressure treated because it'll be exposed, and the rest will the framing will be out of that. And you ready?
Yeah.
We got somebody else helping us today too, because it's definitely more than a man and a girl project, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going. Here's your first tip: woodworking. Got your extension cord, and then whatever you're plugging in, skill saw in this matter. Just take your cords, loop them, and plug them in that way. Now when I'm tugging on my saw and trying to pull this cord, it doesn't keep unplugging. Little tip for you.
Okay, gonna frame our box together and make it 8 by 8 so our plywood fits on it perfectly. Make sure it's nice and square. And then now we're going to put our brackets on. They angled outward, so you just want to make sure you get the right bracket on the right corner. And we're going to stick all 4 of those on, and once they're up in the air, I figure out which one's which. Got them all in place now, and now we're going to just install them with the fasteners that came with the kit. Just gonna screw those right in. Look at that. Move on to the next. And we'll do all 4 of them. There it is, all completed. And now we're gonna work on our first wall, which is 8 feet high. We made it out of 2x4s, 16 on center. Just like I'm framing a house, could have probably done 2 foot, save some material, but the carpenter in me won't let me do things like that. And just like with the floor system, probably could have used 2x6s, save some money, but I used 2x8s. So we're just gonna get our front wall up and ready, which is 8 foot high. We've got it laid out for our window we're gonna put in. That's going to be our opening in the front of the blind. There she is, ready to shoot some deer. All right, we're going to construct our back wall for our door, which will be 7 feet high, 16 on center, with 2x4 construction. We're going to nail that up. We're going to have to construct a door out of something. Haven't got that far yet. Well, we're going to nail it all up. And then we're all done. So the wall down. All right, now it's time for our 2 side walls. With our side shooting windows, we're going to frame those up. Those will be 7 feet high, just like the back wall. And 2x4 construction, 16 on center. And we're just going to, like I said, 2 of these bad girls. There's our little window, side shooting window, done.
So we've got our 8 by 8 box with 2 by 8 pressure treated, and we have the brackets on ready to go, and then this box will get doubled one more time, so it'll be able to grab our walls when we stand them up. And we have 12 foot 4x4s for our posts, so this sucker is going to be 12 feet up in the air. This is one of our side walls. Now the two side walls are 7 feet high. Actually, rather, the front wall is 8 feet high, and the other 3 walls are 7 feet. So that way when we put our rafters up for our roof, we already have a pitch. So this is one of the sidewalls with a small shooting window. And then we've got our other walls up here ready to get out to the back with the door. And then, like I said, you see the pictures of the other ones we got as we completed them. And that's it. So that's phase 1.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions.
And stay tuned for the other 2 parts.
Yes.
Catch you later. Actually, stay through for the other 3 parts because we got to do some interior decorating in there too. We're going to have some fun stuff in there, like no more peeing out the window or in bottles or anything like that. We're going to wait till you see. It's going to be fun. Catch you later.